Hi everybody, thanks for tuning into my channel and watching this video. I'm setting myself a crazy challenge today. I'm going to try and draw and paint this in 15 minutes. In 15 minutes. I think I'm a little nuts for wanting to do that, but you know, no pain, no gain, and I think it's really good to sometimes challenge yourself to do something different. So with this, since I only have 15 minutes, I'm not going to use a pencil first, which really terrifies me. I always use a pencil first, literally always. I'm just going to go straight with ink. I'm using my Pilot drawing pen. I really like this little pen. And then I'm just going to use my watercolors to give it a quick wash of paint at the end. I'm thinking my strategy is going to be work from large to small, so the larger shapes first, and then thinking of shapes in terms of what shape is this? There's a triangle and sort of a rectangle underneath. These could be seen as large rectangles. I'm going to break it down into shapes as I draw it. Otherwise, I think I'll just get lost in the complexity. Also, I'm going to have to leave out a lot of detail, but I want to add enough so that you can tell what it is. So I'll be keeping time on my swatch here. Are any of y'all old enough to remember swatch? This is my swatch, and I love it. I'm going to put it back just at the top so we can tell when 15 minutes are up. And clip it back on there so everybody can see. I'm not cheating. I'm going to wait for the second hand to get to the top. Since this doesn't have numbers, it's going to be 15-ish minutes, as best as I can tell. Wish me luck. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh, here I go. It's not as bad as I thought it would be. I could definitely do a lot better if I had more time, but what fun and how challenging that was. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I hope that you'll give something like this a try. Pick something hard and just go for it and see what happens. This is in my calendar sketchbook. It's just a page. It's a past week page that I didn't get to paint in. And so, I never have to look at it again if I don't want to, but I will put in here. So remember, 15-minute draw and paint. Great. So if you like this, I hope you'll subscribe to my channel. I hope that you will give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. And take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye.